Crypto airdrops are a way to earn free cryptocurrency. They involve crypto projects distributing their native cryptocurrency to their users. The teams behind these projects often use airdrops to raise awareness of their project and encourage people to become users or investors. Why do projects do crypto airdrops? Cryptocurrency projects often use airdrops as part of their token launch strategy. They do this in a bid to raise awareness within the crypto community about their tokens and encourage recipients to use their tokens. Airdrops is also used to distribute tokens to potential users or investors in a fair way by ensuring that the initial supply is diversified amongst a large number of people, rather than concentrated in the hands of a few early investors. This distribution model contributes to a balanced and decentralized ecosystem. In summary, crypto airdrops are used so that every interested person gets a chance to get hold of the token and is a good way for crypto beginners to get hold of. Subscribe, like and click on the notification button. Make sure to watch out for part 2.